Hey, what's up guys, Vic Christoph with PhoneArena here, and today we're comparing the cameras on the new OnePlus 7 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, recording in 4K 30 with both phones. So first thing we'll do is we'll compare the video stabilization. Now both of these phones have optical image stabilization, so follow me around. Let's see how they stabilize. Both phones are handheld. A little bit faster now. Follow me around. And let's also pan the phones up and down towards the sun so you can see how they adjust to different exposures. Let's hold this for a second and then go back down slowly. Okay guys, now I'll step out of the frame so you can test the continuous autofocus functionality. See if these phones can focus on my hand, and then switch the focus to the background. Once again, let's try this with my hand and the background. Let's do this a couple of times and a little bit quicker. And that was a quick comparison of the cameras on the new Galaxy S10 Plus and the OnePlus 7 Pro. Thanks for watching.